Hi guys, welcome to my channel Rana Pride, and today I am going to unbox this wonderful speaker Ultimate Ears from Wonderboom. So let me show you the box overview. It has got some information like it is a waterproof, drop proof, 360 music, 10 hours of battery life, and you can connect two speakers. This is the right side and this is the front side. A little bit information on the back, down and up is like holding from here. So let's open this wonderful box. For that we will just pull this down like this, and then we have this box. Here we have a seal, we open like this, and here is the beautiful speaker. We will just keep this speaker aside, and we can open this box here for some documentation or something else. Here we have a data cable, and then from here you can open and some of the document. So there's nothing much on the paper. It is showing how to do switch on, switch off, and some other information. A little small, just about how to do plus minus and all. And this is the data cable which you can use for charging this. A very nice quality cable, USB 2 port. Alright, let's talk about the speaker. See how wonderful it is. This is the back and this is from the upside. Ultimate Ears, very nice, very solid build quality. Now at the bottom you can open from here for charging it up. You can see the port. Okay, let's talk about how to do pairing. I have a Samsung phone and I will pair. I will first switch on my Bluetooth. It's here. I will switch on by pressing this button. It will make a little sound, and then here this is scanning. For pairing this, you will press this button here. Keep pressing. And here you will see that it has been found. The device has been found by my phone. It's Wonderboom. Just click on Wonderboom, and it is starting pairing. And here it is connected. So let's play some music here. I will go to Ghana and just play some music. It's very the sound of this speaker is very good. I am currently hearing it in my room और ये sound बहुत बेहतरीन है. इस प्राइस में ये स्पीकर मिलना बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can find more reviews about this speaker on Amazon. That's all folks. Thank you for watching.